So it's interesting. I'm looking over my mother's property, and what does it really need? Well, a lot of erosion here, as you can see. There's no real grass that gets grown. A lot of of moss, but you would have to put a small retaining wall all the way across. See all these roots, how they're trying to find soil? It's just not there. It's all eroded away. This is shot. I don't know why she just doesn't take that down. But yeah, I don't think she did this property right at all, and it's kind of bizarre. But hey, you got to work with what you have. My mother's older now, and honestly, I don't want to take it on, But if I had to, the wall would go all the way across, fill that in with dirt to stop the erosion. She put up that fence. A couple of these things got to get fixed here. Just really needs a good cleaning. I don't like what she did with that stupid fence down there. It makes no sense to me. What I would have did is put green giants all the way down. That would have solved her problem for basically not having to see this neighbor over here. On this side, it's a little difficult. She doesn't unfortunately own that property there, even though it looks like she does. I don't know what anybody could really do with that property, but you never know. I guess that's where the property line is, where that fence is. What would I do there? I don't know if the green giants would do so well because there's not a lot of sunlight. This also has to get a lot of soil to kind of build itself up, and especially to here, at least try to get that part there with the soil. Underneath there, you would have to do something. Maybe I might put stone under there just because it would just be easier, and then use borders, like plastic borders in there, in order to kind of fix everything. But yeah, and this tree's got to come down. It's totally rotten. It's done.